You will be told a story. Listen to the story carefully. Then you will be asked questions about the story. Correct answers will be displayed at the end of the test. Enjoy watching.
In the heart of a dense, unexplored jungle, there lay a long-forgotten city known as Eldoria. Legends spoke of its grandeur and the priceless treasures hidden within its crumbling walls. Many adventurers had sought to uncover its secrets, but none had returned. Enter Alex, an intrepid archaeologist with a passion for unraveling mysteries. Driven by the tales of Eldoria, Alex embarked on a perilous journey into the heart of the jungle. After days of navigating treacherous terrain, Alex stumbled upon the hidden entrance to the lost city. As Alex ventured deeper, ancient murals on the walls depicted a once thriving civilization. It became evident that Eldoria was not just a city, but a center of advanced knowledge and technology. The air buzzed with an otherworldly energy. In the heart of Eldoria, Alex discovered a chamber filled with relics of unimaginable power. However, a guardian, a mystical golem, protected the treasures. In order to claim the artifacts, Alex had to solve riddles scattered throughout the city. The journey through Eldoria was both a test of wits and courage. Alex faced challenges, deciphered ancient scripts, and navigated booby-trapped corridors. Each step brought the archaeologist closer to unlocking the city's ultimate secret. In the end, Alex emerged from Eldoria with newfound knowledge and artifacts that held the key to unlocking advancements long thought to be lost. The lost city was no longer a mystery, but a testament to the ingenuity of a civilization lost to time.